Wait, no. Oh, first I gotta turn the volume down of this music. Hi. Today, let's do the perfect dance. Because I'm doing a little nice thing. Come on, clap, stomp. I'm clapping my hands and stomping my feet. Are you so happy of this dance? Of course, it's not bad. It's good. Clap, clap, yeah, clap. I'm just so proud. I love my dance so much. What's that? Somebody else is clapping. Somebody else is really clapping. I wonder who could it be? We'll see. Well, time for the final countdown. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, see you later. Oh, I mean 1. Yes, I'm so proud. Yeah, I'm just proud. Yeah, proud. I'm proud of my favorite dance. Oh, yeah. Yeah.